Under banking secrecy, there are three areas we'll be looking at. The first one is safeguard your information. Second one is exceptionals to banking secrecy. The third one is banker status opinion. Under the Code of Consumer Banking Practice, the ABS states that the bank will treat all customers' information as private and confidential. Comply at all times with the banking secrecy provisions of the Banking Act Chapter 19. The customer information shall not in any way be disclosed by a bank in Singapore or any of its officers to any other person except as expressly provided in this act. Stop using personal information for marketing purposes if the customer object to the practice. Provide personal particulars and loan performance profile to the Credit Bureau, which is recognized by MS and gazetted under the Banking Act. The CBS stands for Credit Bureau Singapore. The duty of secrecy is not absolute, but qualified. Disclosure is justified in four exceptions to the banking secrecy. These are the four exceptions to the banking secrecy. The details will be covered in the following slides. The first one, consent of customer is expressly given. The customer discloses his or her information to external party. For example, to disclose to his auditor, business partners for business purpose. Second one, it is in the interest of the bank to disclose. In certain situation, litigation between the bank and customer. For example, the bank sue the customer. The bank want to claim against the customer. Want to make a claim against customer. The bank want to bring legal action against customer or any party. Next one is the public interest is involved. This is to prevent frauds, crimes, and terrorism. Is by the law. This compulsion by the law. The disclosure is due to compulsion by law. For example, the bank is compelled by the court orders to disclose information under Evidence Act, Criminal Procedure Code, Income Tax Act, and Company Act. There are other exceptions, will be due to the Credit Bureau. The members of the Credit Bureau Singapore can disclose credit-related information to the CBS, obtain information from CBS, check on creditworthiness of existing and prospective customers. We look at this article, lack on transparency. This is taken from Irish Times. Basically, the title is Ireland, a prolific source of tax loopholes. So in terms of Ireland, it topped the security in financial secrecy index. It's an indication of financial secrecy index concerning banking secrecy and access to customers' information. Up to 32 trillion is hidden worldwide. Basically, it's untaxed. So the report claimed that Germany is lax on anti-money laundering enforcement, and Italy as a primary source of illicit capital flows. Banker status opinion. A status opinion is usually requested by a party in a commercial contract seeking to know the financial standing of the unknown party. For example, a banker may be asked to provide status opinion on one of its customer to another bank. So, for example, in response, okay, this is one example of a banker's status opinion given by a bank to another bank. After investigating, they find that this person XXX is considered good under normal course of business. So this is considered a good opinion, okay, bank's opinion of the customer. Mr. X account has been satisfactorily conducted since 1996. So this is another good opinion. In addition, disclaimer clause is often included, okay, to prevent third-party liabilities here. Is a usual case, usual practice. A banker will give his status opinion on a customer. Normally includes a disclaimer clause so as to prevent third parties claim.